Thank you for joining me on this beautiful tropical day. Today we're going to be making pollo fricase. Here we have skinless chicken thighs with bone, onions, peppers, olives, sofrito, tomato paste, cilantro, recao, potatoes and carrots, and some wine as well. And we're going to start by putting some oil of your choice, and we're going to put 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to let that melt, and we're not going to overheat the butter because we cannot let it burn. And then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. See the nice yellowish color of the butter? Yeah, don't let it burn. We're going to go ahead and add chicken, and oh, it's just going to smell so great with the butter. You're going to go ahead and let that cook on both sides for a little while. And once that's done cooking on both sides, we're going to go ahead and add the sofrito. And that's about 1.5 tablespoons. And we're going to add tomato paste. It's about another 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, that's okay. Go ahead and use tomato sauce. Let that cook there. And you're going to start to smell that amazing smell. Oh my goodness. And look at the chicken. You go ahead and cut the chicken a little bit if you like with the spoon. That's what I do. And we're going to add our onions and Cuban peppers. I like to use the Cuban with a little color in it, just to add some more color to the dish. Go ahead and give that a mix. And I hope you guys enjoy this dish because my family sure does. And here we have roasted red peppers to give it a really good flavor and as well more color to the dish. Mix that up a little bit there. Adjust your flame as you see fit, or your heat if you have an electric stove. And we have 14 stuffed olives. It does not have the pit. You don't want to bite into that and break a tooth. I heard a story about that before. And here we have recao that you can cut by hand with a knife or scissors if you like. And cilantro. You have to have cilantro and recao. If you don't, that's okay. I mean, you are going to be missing that flavor, but it's okay. And I don't like to waste cilantro. So that's why I take it off my fingers. Go ahead and give that a mix, and if you want, go ahead and eat it like this once the chicken is fully cooked, but this is not the end of the dish, but you can eat it like this. It'll taste good either way. And we're going to put about 1/2 cup of red wine. I like to use the wine that I drink because the cooking wine doesn't really taste that good. It does not have to be red if you don't want it to be. Use the wine of your choice. And we have potatoes and carrots. Continue to mix that up a little bit. adding 2 cups of water to allow the vegetables to cook. I'm gonna let that cook there for maybe about 45 minutes, and you're gonna add more seasoning. Even though the chicken was seasoned, we're gonna add some more seasoning, and this is adobo, about a teaspoon of that, and sazon for coloring and extra flavor. We're also gonna add oregano, a little sprinkle, not too much, and garlic salt. And black pepper. Go ahead and mix that. And you can go ahead and cover that once that's mixed and let it boil. It'll be cooking for about 40 minutes like that. Half an hour to 40 minutes. And here we go! Look how delicious this is. We have fried plantains, tostones, white rice, and pollo fricase. And you're just gonna enjoy it. You can have pollo fricase with the rice of your choosing as well. You could even have it with mashed potatoes if you like.